green, so few know what it means. Let me interrupt you for a moment, Mr. Pig Feet and Miss Collard Green. The red's for the blood that stained the floors of slave ships. The red's for the blood-clouded ocean, clouded by the blood of those who refused to take that trip. The red's for the blood-stained dress worn by once virgin slave girls, branded as plantation prostitutes being pimped for Euro pleasures of the world. The red is for those stripes in that red, white, and blue. Yes, I'm talking about that flag y'all be pledging allegiance to. Those red stripes remind me of the whip mark tattooed on my ancestors' back. Look closely at the red, white, and blue and ask, where the hell is the black? See, that's what I'm speaking about.
That's what the
Sing it.
green is the color that
One more time, keep going. Keep going.
Red for the blood and the black for the man. Green is the color.
All right. Yeah. Well, black is the last thing your ancestors saw as they hung from the poplar tree. It's a shame that being black is considered a crime. Hell, people getting cancer trying to get skin that look like mine. And in the beginning there was darkness, and that dark existence was God. Lips like mine, face like mine, and guess what? His nose was broad. The black is for over 200 million black men, women, and children captured by men wearing the cross, and some that change colors like the chameleon. The red's for the bud, the black's for the man, and the green is the color that stands for the land. Sing it, everybody. Yeah. Sing it again.
Red for the blood and the black for the man.
The green is the color. All right, let's talk about that green. The green is the color of that 40 acres and a mule promised to our people, promised by the USA or the KKK. It's all the same no matter which way you say. The green is that we never got any of. Working from sun get up to sun get down. No energy to smile, and all we did was frown. I have dreams of reparations, and all I see is green. When I dream of all the money made off my ancestors' back, all I see is green. When I dream of throwing up in my oppressor's face, all I see is green. That's what I see, green. Sometimes I run in my dreams. I run through green pastures. I run through green fields, through lush green jungles. And I hear voices saying, don't stop, brother. Keep running. Keep moving. You're almost home. In my journey back home, I see my feet running through blood trails that my ancestors left for me to follow. I see black faces like ghosts standing on the side of a road, cheering me to never stop. Suddenly, I'm on top of a hill. As my tears pour libation to the earth, I kneel down to the ground of my ancestors where my ancestors lie, and I whisper to her, Mother Africa, I have come home. Mother Africa, I have come home. The red is for the blood. The black is for the land. The green is for the color that stands for the land. Let's sing it. Come on, everybody. The green is the color that stands for the land. Yes. Now, every time you see the red, black, and green colors, now you know what it means. If you've seen somebody wear red, black, and green, now you know what it means. Ashe? Ashe. Welcome again to the Black Wall Street Poetry Jam Fest.